Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As I promised in my last video, after a few requests, today I'm coming with another editing tip about Lightroom presets. Where to get them or how to create them, how to install them if you are purchasing them, and of course an example of how I use these presets. As the very first brand ambassador of Bloom Fashion Studio, I'm super happy to present these beautiful, gorgeous, cozy, stylish hats that Diana makes. I will link her Etsy shop in the description box if you want to check them out. They come in 5 different colors, they are handmade, and they are just the perfect gift for any occasion. Also, Valentine's Day is almost around the corner, so if you want to surprise your loved ones or your friends with something cute and stylish, if you know they like hats, go check these out, link in the description box. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. And without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I have my laptop here. I will show you how to, or where I usually get my presets from. As I mentioned in my previous video, I often buy them, but only when they are super cheap, like $1 per set, and they usually come in sets of 8 plus, so between 8 and 15. So I really like the presets from Krella, from 123 presets, from Wild presets. I will show you an example from Krella this time. So we just type Krella and go to their website. Then you have presets and Lightroom presets right here. And here they are. Look at them. So many of them. So many of them. And because I don't have Lightroom on my laptop, I only use the free version from my phone, I will click this mobile Lightroom presets and it's gonna show me only the mobile versions. So you can see that there are quite a few. I will show you an example. I won't purchase one this time, but let's see. See, it's a bundle of travel collections with only $1. See, from $69, and you can check it out here. So this is the before and this is the after picture. Again, it's very nice that they provide these before and after pictures, so you know what to expect from these presets. And remember, not every preset will work on a certain photo, so that's why you kind of want to get more presets. So if you have a darker photo and you want to brighten it, you will need a certain preset. If you, I don't know, want to tone the colors, you will need another kind of preset. If you can see this with the ocean and lots of water and you know, just the tropical ones, again you will need another kind of preset. So you just play around and see what's your style, what kind of photos you like to make. If you want your photos to always look bright, then you will of course search for brighter presets, so those that will have that effect. All right. Oh, look at that. So yeah, then you will add them to the cart. You can go back and select some other ones. Usually they have these offers like buy 5 get 12. Okay, so you can go to the checkout, write all your information here and proceed to the checkout and order them, and you will receive an email with the confirmation and a download link. So I will show you that. So here is my confirmation link from Krella. Thanks for shopping with us. And here are all my presets I purchased not a long time ago, as you can see. And I paid $8.33 for these. Now, if you open your emails on your phone, it's gonna be super simple. Just click on the download link and download your presets, and you will have all the pictures, because they are basically pictures, on your phone. If not, you can download them from your computer. I will go with the boho chic presets. Waiting for the download. Alright, so here are my presets. As you can see, you have desktop version and mobile version as well. So I will need the mobile version. As you can see, I have 15. So they are DNG files, and they come in like pictures, each one of them. So as you can see, now I will import all these pictures, I mean only 3, just so I can show you, because I already have them installed on my phone. So I will transfer 3 of these to my phone and we will continue from there. Okay, so I don't know what happened. I can't find the images on my phone. So I downloaded them from my emails, and this is how it looks when it's downloaded. And one thing I want to let you know, that this might happen. So you just click on them, so it's exported, and it will show you like this, like a broken image, I don't know. But no worries, you can still share them to Lightroom, and you will find the image here. Okay, so that was the image I was supposed to see. So it's okay if I don't know what happened with these presets, and it's not the first time, but usually you will be able to see the images. But just want to let you know that it's no problem if you don't. Just import in Lightroom. And now, how to save the preset from this image. So you just tab these, and here you will have create preset. Click on that. And here you can see all the details about the preset, and here you enter the preset name. So this was called, you can name it however you want. I named it Boho Chic, just as it was on the Krella site. So Boho Chic, and you can write it like Boho Chic 1, Boho Chic 2, 3, all the way up to 15. And then you hit the down mark, and done. You have the preset. Now you can also delete this photo if you don't want to keep it, right? Alright, now let's see how to use these presets. And I will use another one, not this specific one, because I want to show you how I edited this image the last night with one of the Boho Chic presets. Okay, so here is my image, my Valentine's Day image from the commercial I made for a Bloom Fashion Studio, which you guys can see, and you can see all our pictures we post and tips how to style the hat on our Instagram, and future videos, and also the future commercial. So you don't want to miss that. Hit that subscribe button, and also follow us on Instagram. I will link my Instagram account and also Bloom Fashion Studio account in the description box. We will go here to presets. And here you can find all your presets. I have actually 2 folders of presets. I have my presets here and my presets too. And I will go to my presets because here are all my most important presets that I purchased. and I'm gonna search for boho chic, and as you can see I have boho chic 1, which is too intense, too orangey, boho chic 2, 3, which is darker. I think for landscape and outside photos it would look awesome. I have boho chic 6, which is pretty cute. It's like bright and more kind of an orangey pinkish tone. I have this one. I really like the boho chic 10. Now this is a cute pinkish tone, but not over exaggerated, and it's just, I think it's perfect for this Valentine's Day photo. Now, if you are satisfied with your preset, just hit the done mark. And if you are not satisfied, let's say you want more texture, you can enhance that. See the difference? I always like a little bit of texture. Or let's say the highlights, you want to drop a bit the highlights, or you want to increase. I will leave it at 15. Now the whites, again, if you don't want it to be that bright. So they are presets, but you can adjust them, and there's no problem if one certain preset doesn't look 100% good on your photo. You can always adjust them. I am pretty satisfied with this photo, and from here I can save it to device, and that's it. This is how you install and use presets. Now, if you want to create your own preset, it's super easy. Let's stay at this image. So, and this was the original image. Let's work on it. With the exposure, a little bit of contrast, not too much, highlights, yes. Shadows, yes. Up, whites, just a bit, blacks. Now here, let's adjust the red. I don't want it to be that saturated, so I will drop it a bit. And see, here are all the colors, clarity a bit, and texture. And this is the before. And this is the after picture. Now, if I have a lot of pictures that are kind of the same color and I don't want to edit each one of them separately, I will do the same as we did at the other picture with the presets. So just hit those 3 buttons and select Create Preset. Now, I will call it Valentine's and save it. Let me show you. So here is our original image. We go to presets and I have here my Valentine's preset. Press it and there you have it. So another thing, when you are creating your presets, let me show you again. Here, the preset group. Don't forget, because I forgot this time, to select the preset group. And as you can see, I have my presets 2, and some other presets. And I can select if I want to save this preset to my presets 2, it will be saved to my presets 2. Or you can create another folder of presets. And let's see. Like I have this picture, this flat lay with the native deodorants. I will try to, let's see, this was the before picture, and this is how it looks with the Valentine's preset, and this is how it looks. Oh, it looks pretty nice with the boho chic. So this is the before and after. It just brightened it just a little bit. If I want to, let's stick to this Valentine's, okay? I want them even brighter. Then I can go and adjust this. So I want some more exposure, highlights, I will drop them. Alright, I need more texture, let's say. And there you have it. I just wanted to brighten it, and if you want to, you can add some more whites. There you have it. Before and after. So this is how you use presets, this is how you create presets. And remember, each preset is good for a certain kind of photo. If you want to brighten a photo, then use bright presets. And don't worry if a certain preset looks amazing for a certain picture and not so amazing for another one. You can either adjust things using the same preset, and if it's like too ridiculous, then use another preset or make your own. Alright guys, I hope I answered all your questions. I hope I explained it step by step and as clear as I could, and I hope you understood everything. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will answer them. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram for more short tutorials or before and after pictures, see how I use my presets. And don't forget to check out Bloom Fashion Studio's Instagram as well, it will be linked down below, and her Etsy shop if you want to get one of these cute hats. Also, if you have any suggestions of what kind of video should I make next, then please leave me in the comments below. And if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to share them, to like them, to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, have a lovely day. Bye!